In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the admin on Google Workspace. This task might seem daunting if you're not familiar with Google's administrative controls, but don't worry, I'll guide you through every step of the way, making the process smooth and easy to understand. First up, you'll need to navigate to Google Workspace. Use your web browser to go to the main page of Google Workspace. It's here you start your journey to updating your admin settings. Once you're there, you will be prompted to choose your Google account. This is a crucial step as you'll need to select the account that has the administrative privileges necessary to make changes to user roles and permissions. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you're selecting the correct one. After choosing your account, the next step is to enter your password. Security is a key concern for Google, and this step ensures that only authorized users can make changes to your Google Workspace settings. Take your time and make sure you enter your password correctly to avoid any unnecessary delays. Following the successful entry of your password, you'll need to click Next. This will take you further into your admin settings, one step closer to changing the admin on your Google Workspace. Now look for the square dots icon located at the top right corner of the page. This icon is essentially your doorway to a variety of Google services and settings, including the admin console, which is where you need to go next. Once you click on the admin console, you're getting closer to the heart of where administrative changes can be made. In the admin console, you'll find various options and settings that control different aspects of your Google Workspace. Your next stop within the admin console is to click on Accounts. This section deals with everything related to user accounts within your Google Workspace, including the administrative roles attached to each account. After getting into the Accounts section, look for Admin Roles and click on it. This area allows you to manage and assign roles, a key function when looking to change who has admin rights within your organization. Now you're ready to click on Assign Admin. This option is designed for exactly what you're here to do, changing the admin on your Google Workspace. Clicking here will take you to the Role Assignment section. In the Role Assignment section, click on Assign Members. This is where you'll select the new administrator from your list of users. If the user you want to make an admin isn't immediately visible, use the search function to find their profile. It's essential to double check that you're selecting the right person for this role. After finding and selecting the correct user, you'll need to click on Assign Role. This final action officially assigns the administrative role to the selected user, completing the process of changing the admin on your Google Workspace. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to changing the admin on Google Workspace. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Ensure you're making these changes thoughtfully and selecting individuals who are ready and able to take on the administrative duties required. Thank you for following along, and here's to your success in maintaining a secure and efficient Google Workspace environment.